What up, peoples? Gene Wolf here, aka the Jedi Marketer, and I want to apologize to all my YouTube subscribers for not producing content. I actually took a really long vacation, probably for about 3 months, just to enjoy my life. I kind of stopped marketing. I retired from the MLM industry. I no longer do MLM, but I do still do high ticket sales. I do direct sales. I moved away from coaching for a bit to kind of readjust my life, and in a good way. I mean, readjust my life in that, you know, I've been doing so much marketing. I've been marketing for 10 years now, and I kind of needed a break. So this 4-month hiatus was something of a blessing for me to reconfigure myself, readjust myself, and reposition myself. And as you guys know, I'm a very enthusiastic, advantageous marketer when it comes to I put a lot of energy into what I do, and I love YouTube marketing. But with that said, you know, you're gonna see a lot more content coming out of me. My son is getting older, so it allows me to break away and do more content. But that has been one of the biggest blocks for me personally. It has been just, you know, being a full-time daddy, spending the time to do this stuff. So, and it's not easy, because then I have to do the videos, I have to edit the videos, then I have to optimize the videos, then I have to SEO optimize them, and it's a lot of time. It's worth it, but it's a lot of time. So anyways, this video is about my brand new 26K funnel that I launched, and it's in a program that I've been doing, I've done in the past. They recently launched their live event seminar, and I kind of went back to it because it's still one of my highest converting products that I've ever promoted, and I made a lot of money with it in a very short period of time. I mean, in like 4 months, I banked $26,000, which is a lot of money, right? Just because I got to get this out there, because, you know, I am an ethical marketer. I'm not out here to try to convince people just because, you know, I made this amount of money, you're going to make that amount of money. It's very possible with the same amount of effort and the same amount of energy putting into it and focus and stuff. But the beauty of being able to do certain things is that you can duplicate the success of others. And, you know, all the top billionaires, multi-millionaires, 100 times over, have all indicated the exact same thing. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel. Copy people who are doing what you want to do. If they are doing something that's working, then just duplicate what they're doing. So I build sales funnels, I build systems, I built my own marketing system in the past. One of my marketing systems generated up to 4,000 members, and things got a little bit hectic with it, too much, you know, support and all that stuff. So I did have to shut it down eventually. Sadly, I did, but I didn't want to, but I had to, right? And it was just getting too overwhelming for me. I didn't know what I was getting into at that time. This was like probably about 3-4 years ago. And I did do a couple other systems, but in the end of the day, systems are very difficult to run, marketing systems. And I tell you, because you're having to support all the members, and it's very, very difficult to have like hundreds of messages coming into your inbox and stuff. With that said, though, I'm launching the 26K funnel. This is a very duplicatable funnel, a funnel that you can basically take and you can upload and just send traffic, pretty much, right? Just send traffic, and literally you can kind of produce some pretty massive results. My funnel creates extremely high quality leads. People who indicate, I want some information, I know what I'm seeing. Once they opt in, they also go through the funnel, and the videos do all the selling and explaining for you. So all you're really having to do is follow up with people who want more information, or they're messaging you. So you're not chasing the cat. You're not having to go out there and cold call people. You're not having to chase leads around. You're not having to bug friends and family. You just send traffic, and the system does pretty much everything for you. Will you get automated sales? It happens, right? But there's a very low conversion rate. I mean, it's about 1 to 3%, sometimes less, if you're dealing with high ticket products, that you're going to get sales on the front end, which is basically if you buy traffic, then you're going to get sales, boom, just like that. It doesn't happen like that overnight. There's a follow-up. You have to keep following up with them, which is when we put them through the email autoresponder, because people still check their email. I know, because I still check my email every day. Anyways, so with this funnel, you know, it's connected to Easy One Up. Easy One Up is a powerful, high ticket, high converting product. I mean, like I said, it's still my highest converting product that I promoted. And there's a lot of value that's given into your purchase of their digital training library, whatever level you decide to get in. But the beauty is not what you're gonna get from them. It's what you're gonna get from me, and also from my connected team that I am a part of, because I am a part of Michael Mansell, who is the top earner, and I know him really well. We're, you know, I guess you could say we've known each other for a couple of years now. I'm not saying we're like tight bros, but we've worked together. I've worked with him in the past as well, and you know, he knows his stuff. So when you work with me, you get everything that I offer in regards to the bonuses, because I offer a lot of bonuses. If you're all in with me, I'm actually gonna find you your first sale, your first all-in sale. I'm gonna find you a first all-in sale, and I'm gonna split it with you 50-50, because I need to be compensated for my effort to get you leads, my effort to close the sale, and to basically put some money in your pocket, right? Now, what we're gonna do here, though, I'm not gonna go into detail of all the bonuses that I'm gonna offer, right? That's not what this video is about. I just want to give you a quick peek at the sales funnel, and to show you what type of technology we got here, going on here, right? You know, when people go through this sales funnel, they're gonna get your information. They're gonna be able to contact you. This is all editable. So once you join my team, you're able to edit these templates so that it reflects your information, reflects your links, and it's not hard. You don't have to do anything. It's literally just click on the button, change the link. It's, right here it says message Gene on Facebook. Well, it could be message Joe on Facebook, and then you just anchor text this. Simple. You can put your number here to be text. If you have a fan page, you can connect that right there. If you have an image at the bottom, connect it here and put your contact information again. So this funnel is the funnel I use to generate $26,000 automated, pretty much automated. And I say automation as a grain of salt, like people go take it for a grain of salt. People opt in, people indicate they want information, they message me on Facebook, boom, sales closed. And that's, for me, that's pretty much automated. I mean, it literally takes around, I don't know, between 5 to 10 minutes to communicate with somebody. Some people like to be talked to on the phone. They need, okay, if I'm gonna be spending $1,000 to $2,000, I wanna talk to you on the phone. And rightly so, you should talk to them. Because who the hell is gonna spend $1,000, $2,000 unless they're really educated on what they're buying, and not talk to people, right? So rightly so, people need to be talked to. So if you're a newbie, if you're a struggling marketer, or maybe you just want something that's a little bit automated to automate the process and make some high ticket, instantly paid commissions, you need to get a hold of me. As I said, you're gonna get some massive bonuses from me. You know, just to give you an idea, I'm gonna get you a free sale personally. And it's done in order of sequence. So if you come in, and let's say you're number 2, well, after number 1 gets their sale, I'm gonna work on getting you a sale next, and an all-in sale, so if you're coming all in. Obviously that's an exclusive limited bonus, because it's limited to how much time and stuff I have to do. Sometimes I have to stop it just so I can take care of all these people, and I'm going to do that. My guarantee is that I will I'll bust my ass to get you that all-in sale if you're coming all in, and I'll split that with you. Whether you go all in, I mean, that's totally up to you, but that is what I have on the table. On top of that, you know, you're gonna, just to shoot it out there, I'm a master at YouTube. I make a full-time living doing YouTube marketing, and I'm gonna give you a consultation on YouTube marketing. I literally, when people buy my YouTube consulting, their lives are changed. They have endless amounts of leads coming in for their business. They make money in pretty much anything they promote, and there's basically, you know, I mean, there's basically no way you can fail if you just do the work. So that consultation, I usually charge people upwards of $4,000 to get that consultation, but you're gonna get that for free if you're all in. And then, yeah, I'm not gonna go to, but those 2 bonuses alone should be more than enough for somebody to say, okay, boom, I'm in. You know what I mean? Because for one, you're gonna be pretty much getting 50% of your money back, almost guaranteed. I can't say you're guaranteed to get money because I still have to do the work to get you that, right? But I can do it. I'm very capable of doing it. It's not hard. I know how to do it, and it's just the process of rinsing, repeating, and scaling, and that's all it is. So what you need to do, let me log into my Easy One Up just to prove to you that, hey, you know, I did 26K, right? Let me see here. Okay, boom. So I don't really have to go nowhere. $26,150, and that actually is higher. Let me go to Google here. Exchange. Okay. US. 26,150. So it's actually $32,947 in 4 months. Took me 4 months to do that with Easy One Up. Very high converting product. In the past, I've worked with some people, they've done successfully well. I had one guy, he crushed it. I think he did upwards of like $23,000. I showed him what to do and he just did it. And you know, basically when I do these things, this consultation, and I show you these things, I show you these methods to do. There's basically only 3 methods you really need if you're coming all in with me. And if you keep doing them every day, it's gonna work. It will work. You will have leads. I guarantee you will have leads. You will be up here, and this is not hard. This is not hard to do. It's just staying consistent, persistent, and staying dedicated to your goals and getting results. So click on the link, opt into my website. My contact information is on the page there. Get a hold of me, all right? If you're ready to do this and ready to crush this, I'm ready to crush this. You're gonna get the best of both worlds. You're gonna get me coaching you. I'm a multiple 6-figure earner. You get me coaching you, and you're also gonna get Michael Mann's sales bonuses, whatever he offers inside of his training as well. So you got, you know, I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer when you get 2 multiple 6-figure earners. I mean, actually, Michael Mantel's probably a millionaire by now. I don't really know. I never asked him. But you're getting 2 for the price of 1, basically. So click the link, message me on Facebook, shoot me a text if you want to chat on the phone about it. But you know, don't request a call back if you're going to be coming in at, like, you know, the $25 level or, like, you know, it's $100 level. It's a waste of time. You don't really need that much information to make that decision. Just do it. Just go through the process, go through the videos. The videos will do all the selling and explaining. And this is the exact same funnel. If you're coming in at a bare minimum, the $500 level, you're gonna get access to my sales funnel, and there'll be videos there walking you through how to upload it. All right, and there's also gonna be training and all that stuff as well. So go through the videos, go through my website, the funnel, and watch my videos, and I'll explain to you about the bonuses and how you can monetize those and leverage those as well. All right, I'm Gene Wolf. I hope you enjoyed my Easy One Up review. Peace.